So everyone, this is Himanshu and welcome to my class. Now come to the butterfly posture. Join your soles together, lengthen the back, making your back straighten. Breathe. So we will do 10 to 20 rounds of butterfly, shaking the legs. Try to touch the knees on the floor. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now hold the foot tightly. Try to heels close to the root of your legs as much you can. Hold the foot. Inhale and the back up, spine straight. Making the back straight, with the back straighten, move forward. Slide the hands on the front. Drop the hands to the floor, slide the body, stay, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, put your hands to the back side, lift the knees up, open the legs. Little more, open the knee. Inhale, exhales to the right side. Inhale, center. Exhales to the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. 2 more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Last one. Inhale to the center here. Open the knees. Yep. Turn your foot outer line. We'll tuck the toes outer line both sides. Interlock the fingers. Shake the body on the front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now inhale, head up, look at the front. Slide the hands on the front side. Exhale. We will try to push the knee downside, tuck the toes outside, stretch your hamstring, lengthen the back, slide forward, and keep tucking the foot outer line. Keep pushing the knees internally to down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stand. Now inhale, come back, same position. Now right hand inside to the right thigh, moving in. Left hand to the back side. Hold the wrist as much you can. Try to hold the wrist. Then slowly push the knee again to the down. Keep pushing this down, moving your shoulder back. Roll the shoulder up, look up, breathe. Stay. 5. Keep pushing your left knee downside. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep the same position. Straight the left leg on the front. Raise your right leg off. Straight the leg. That's right. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, come back. Bend your knees. Release your hands. Same thing. Left hand inside. Right hand back side. Possibly hold the wrist. Twist the body. Keep pushing your right knee down. Roll the shoulder up. Stay. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, legs straighten. Raise your head up, look up, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release your hands. Lift the body up, cross the legs, lift the body up. Stand on your mats. Okay, the next position we will take, open the legs, turn your both feet outer line. Sumo squats, stretching your backs together. Take a deep breath, wider hands, inhale. Bend the knee, 90-degree angle, exhale, raise your hands up, hip pushing down more, straight the hands. 5 times, inhale, wider hands again. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, last one, inhale, exhale, hip pushing down more. Try to make your knee and hip in a line if possible and lengthen your upper body up, lower body downside. Breathe. Stomach in. 1. Push your hips down more. 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, drop the hands to the floor first. Place the palms to the floor. Keep pushing your knees down. Keep pushing your hips down. Look for it. Lengthen the back. Now slowly lift your heels up, gut chin land, inhale. Look forward, breathe, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place the palms on the floor, both legs straight. Now outer stretch. Turn your right foot outer, inhale. Exhale, bend your knee down, hip pushing down. Look at the front. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. If you're feeling comfort, like you have strength, then you can raise the hands up. Inhale, arms up. Exhales to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhales to the left. One more round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, left. Last one. Inhale up. Drop your hands down. Exhale. From here, after getting warm up, we will drop the palms down and whatever our body allows. No need to reach on the floor quickly. If your body not allowing, stop on the last movement of the body. Open the leg. Okay, stay here. Stay here. Drop your elbow down. Okay, now from here, we will work on the knee ligaments, stretching on your thigh muscle. Inhale. Exhale, and every single exhalation, try to move down. Hip up a little more. Yep. Inhale up. Exhale, like this. Again, inhale up. Exhale, stay there. If your body is not reaching on the floor, then it's okay. You can stay on the last zone of your body and just move the feet and stay there longer. Every time if you practice like this, you will be able to split the leg down. Now slowly raise your hands up, inhale. Raise your hands together, lengthen the back up, toes pointed out a line, stay there. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop the palms to the floor, slide the hands on the front. Prasarita Paschimottanasana. Pada Prasarita Paschimottanasana. Stretch your legs, hands straight on a front line. Breathe, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release your legs. Come to the butterfly posture. Foot together. Shake it. Hope you like this video. If you want more interesting video like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Namaste.